Howdy folks, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the ear pads on the AirPod Max Pro headphones. To replace the ear pads, it is really simple. You just determine where the left side and the right side is by looking on the ear pad. It says on the inside where the left and the right side is. To replace the ear pads is pretty simple. They are magnetized, so it's as simple as just taking it and popping it right off. You could go ahead and remove this one, remove the left ear pad, and you want to make sure that you place the correct ear pads in the right location. If you kind of lift it up, the lettering for what side it is, it can kind of fade unless you place it really close to a surface or the headphones, and the headphones also do indicate that this is the left side and that is the right side. So all you have to do is just simply go ahead, take this ear pad, place it right here. It's going to connect because it is magnetized, and you go ahead and take the right ear pad and you just place it right there. And it is that simple, and we are done. That is how you replace the ear pads on the Apple AirPod Pro Max headphones. And if you are looking for ear pads, we do sell these on our website as well. The link will be in the description. And if you do have any other questions, you are more than welcome to reach us at support@joesge.com. Thank you. Have a great day.